Imagine you are on your way somewhere when you suddenly see an animal that needs your help. Could you just walk right by? If not, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you the most incredible examples of when animals ask people for help. Like this thirsty camel or this leopard with a pot stuck on its head. And there are many more occasions where an animal's only chance of survival is the help from a kind human. In this video, Bestmediatv tells animals that ask people for help and kindness. Please like and subscribe. Let's start. Cases of animals that this hungry, stray puppy wandered around all by himself, along the dangerous train tracks, trying to find something to eat just to survive for another day. Because of the cruelty of many humans, the puppy was terrified when this man approached him. But this man was not like everyone else, and after gaining the puppy trust, he took him home to live the happy and comfortable life he truly deserves. A baby shark found itself trapped among the rocks and may never have seen his family again if it had not been for these surfers. They tried to simply push the young creature into deeper water, but they had to do much more to get it back home. Go. A kitten was trapped inside a burning house, and after inhaling too much smoke, the kitten was left unconscious. But thankfully, one brave firefighter spotted the tiny kitten and did everything in his power to save its life. Unfortunately, couldn't see anything and was sure it was being stalked by a predator. But it turned out to be its personal guardian angel. A clumsy baby elephant fell into a ditch and thought his family was gonna leave without him. But instead, they called for people to come help. And with the help of an excavator, the humans were able to set their little one free. This mama elephant has more manners than most people I know. This wolf had been starving for so long that it finally had to ask a human for helping. And this kind man had to act quickly, so he did not hesitate to give away all the food he had. And this poor soul has not seen the sun in a solid 10 years. Nobody cared for this horse all this time, so its hooves have grown up to 1 meter in length. It will most likely never be able to walk again without pain. But with the help of caring people, now it can even run under the warm sun. This man helped a sloth cross the street. The adorable animal even thanked him for its kindness. When a stray dog fell in this canal, a group of kind people came together to demonstrate what we humans can accomplish when we work together. This female loggerhead turtle had a net stuck so far down its throat that it made it difficult for the animal to eat or even breathe. But thankfully, the turtle found these kind people who were willing to help. These people encountered a wild wolf who was in desperate need of CPR. Despite being one of the most dangerous animals in the world for humans, they did not even hesitate to risk their own safety to save the poor animal. This baby deer was hopelessly stuck in the mud, and it appeared the situation was dire. But suddenly, a human comes to its aid, skillfully operating an excavator with pinpoint accuracy. Rescuing the baby from the sticky situation. This tiny mouse got stuck in a pot, but its calmness and confidence that people would get it out surprised, even the rescuers. This man literally survived a newborn puppy by performing life-saving CPR on its tiny body. Thanks to him, the baby started breathing again and got back to its mother. This osprey decided to ask for help from a surfer to help it survive the waves. It had gotten caught in a line and was nearly immobilized. But thanks to this guy, the nightmare is over. If a dog is having a seizure, you need to remain as calm as possible because stress can make it worse. Luckily, this woman's composure saved that pet's life. And in this video, you will see how. An excavator was similarly used to rescue a bear. When a baby deer fell down and got stuck in a fence, the mother struggled to free its baby. But these people heard the screams of the young fawn and came to their rescue. After a long mission, the baby deer was finally free and could reunite with his grateful mother. When an exhausted camel was seen collapsed on the side of the road in the middle of the desert, this truck driver stopped to provide water to the thirsty animal. It should not interfere with wildlife, but when this mountain vulture was left without a mother, people decided to take a chance. For 136 days, they fed the bird with a drone until it could fly on its own. Mama drone is no longer needed. This guy could not think of another way to save this fox except to throw a rope down to it. Apparently, this is the Einstein of foxes. Two brave and quick-thinking rescued a distressed moose calf from drowning after watching it fall from the steep mountain into the cold. This leopard with a pot stuck on its head. And there are many more occasions where an animal's only chance of survival is the help from a kind human. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.